In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change styles in Blue Lock Rivals. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In Blue Lock Rivals, you have plenty of different styles available, and you can swap between them with ease. I am going to be doing this on a private server, but you can absolutely do the same if you join a public server instead. When you join a server, choose Styles here at the bottom, and you will have one slot available by default. Just like other games of this nature, you will have spins and lucky spins. The normal spins will have a higher chance of getting you a rare or epic rarity style, with the higher rarities being incredibly difficult to acquire, as you can see lower than 1% for all of these. The lucky odds will eliminate the chances of getting commons and epics, and the bare minimum will be legendaries. You can click on a specific style to slightly increase the odds. So for example, if I land on a mythic, I will now have a 1.66% chance of getting this specific style here. Because you only have one slot, every time that you do a spin, the style that you have equipped will be replaced. If you want to keep this style, for example, I have a legendary one that I don't want to lose, just click on the lock icon. This way you will not be able to roll over it. And also you can purchase additional slots. By buying these slots, you can just do your rolls here. And if you are unsatisfied, you just go back to the original one that you had. And all that you have to do to actually perform a roll is to click here, spins or lucky spins. You will see the amount that you have and you can click on them to do the spins. It is going to land on one of these randomly and replace the style that you have equipped. You can buy spins using this option here for Robux, and you can see how much you have in cash or in-game currency. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.